Hello guys, in this video I want to take you with this question. Questions I simplify the following: parenthesis open, a plus b equals all squared minus another one open, a minus b equals all squared, 1 plus 1 over x equals all squared minus another one open, 1 minus 1 over x equals all squared. So what we want to do is rewriting the first equation, the first expression, solution. We have parenthesis open, a plus b equals all squared minus another one open, a minus b equals all squared. So this is almost like different 2 squared. If we have a plus b and we have a minus b is equal to a times a squared minus b times b is b squared. That could be the short form because a times a is a squared, a times b is minus ab, b times a is ab minus ab plus ab is 0. So you just have at the end it. So this and this, they are alike. So we are not factoring, but we want to simplify. So you can use two method. One method could be we expand it by simplifying this. So we're going to say a by this is a squared, a times b is ab times 2 is plus 2 plus a b squared minus, we'll do the same thing, parenthesis open, a squared minus a times b is ab times 2 is 2ab negative b squared is positive b squared. So what we want to do next is we expanding and color things. So we have rewrite a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus negative a squared is negative a squared, negative and negative is positive 2ab, negative and positive is negative b squared. So this and this cancel out, this and this cancel out because inverse. Therefore we have 2ab plus 2ab, 2ab, 2ab. Therefore 2 plus 2 is 4 with the attachment of ab. So this will be our answer. So this is workable using mentor 1. So for mentor 2, in mentor 2 use the different 2 square that will rewrite the expression. So remember, if we have a squared minus b squared, that will give us a minus b, a plus b. Applying this, we have this serve as the difference of 2 squared. So we have a plus b minus a minus b. Then we go again by saying a plus b plus a minus b. So we have now a plus b minus negative than a is negative a, negative and negative is positive b, and we also have a plus b plus a, positive than negative is negative b. So we have now a and but they are having negative, so a minus a is 0, meaning they cancel out. So we have b plus b, b plus b. Then a is a plus a, and we also have b minus b is b. So b and b cancel out. So what we want to do next is this. B plus b is, so just give out 2b, and a plus a will also give out 2a. So therefore 2b times 2 times 2 is 4, and b times a is a b. So either method is workable. So this is for question A. And then move on to question B. Question B is a fractional question, so we can use the previous method and then 2 of this method. So I want to use the different 2 square method. Remember, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So therefore, I have 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x, and 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x. Now we know 1 plus 1 over x can be broken down by saying x times 1 is x, x times 1 is x, and 1 times 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 over x can be x times 1 is x minus 1 all over x. So therefore, this is x minus 1 over x, plus x for positive, plus x for negative minus 1 over x. And the same is repeated for the next one. X plus 1 over x minus x minus 1 over x. So we have now x plus 1 over x plus x minus 1 over x, x plus 1 over x minus x minus 1 over x. Good. So since the denominator are the same, we take 1 and add the numerator. X and x is x, x plus 1 plus x minus 1. The same is being applied. X plus 1 minus, now this negative are going to affect this family. So negative is negative egg. Negative and negative is positive 1. Good. So in our quadrant, left terms will be egg plus egg is 2x or over x. 1 minus 1, it cancel out of 0. Egg minus egg, it means egg and egg cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's 2 all over x. So we can do cancellation. So we can say 2 cancel out 2. We can also say this egg cancel out this egg. So what we left with is just 2. So 2 going to be your answer. Oh, wait a minute. We have a little mistake. I'm sorry. Here should have been x. It should have been x because the denominator is x is not 2. So here should be x. So that means here is already 2. Here's x. So this egg and this egg cancel out. So it's 2 because here is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So here is x plus x, which is 2x. This one I cancel out. This one I cancel out. So we have egg here. Now we have 2 times 2 should be 4 all over this egg. So this is going to be our answer. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.